Hi, good morning class. Good morning children. Hope you all guys are very fine, taking a very good care of yourself and most importantly doing studies, preparing yourself for the upcoming examination which is in the next week. Don't worry, the lesson number 5 is not there for the syllabus. Only 1 to 4 lesson is the syllabus for assessment 1. Okay. Already we have started lesson number 5 and we have completed lesson number 5 very well. Okay. In this lesson we have studied the circulatory system of the body and the excretory system of the body. We already saw how the circulatory system and excretory system are important for our body. We all know all the organ systems are equally important, but we have seen these two systems in a very short way. Okay, nothing is detail given there, only the system, the organ of the system, and what is the function, what is the role of the system in human body is only given there in your class 5th Collins publication book. Let me revise in this video few main points of this lesson. First of all, circulatory system will revise. Okay, circulatory system is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. The organ of the circulatory system is heart itself, blood and blood vessels. Okay, heart, what is the function of heart? You all know, still I will repeat. Heart used to pump blood. Okay, whatever blood, whatever nutrients you are taking, whatever food you are taking, that nutrients is going to convert it into the bloods. Blood is nothing but the fluid, the red color fluid which used to circulate into entire body parts. All the organs need blood which need to supply, and heart is going to do it. Heart needs to pump the blood, and with the help of the blood vessels, blood needs to supply into all the organs of the body. So the very important role of the heart is to pump blood to the different organs of the body. Secondly, what is blood? Blood itself a fluid, a liquid which is having a red color and used to circulate into different parts of the body. What are blood vessels? Blood vessels are thin, tiny tubes. Blood vessels are nothing but the tiny tubes which carry heart. Blood vessels are the tiny tubes which carry the blood which is pumped by the heart and provide to the each and every organs of the human body. The very important role of blood vessels are. Okay. First of all, heart pumps the blood. Blood is a liquid which used to pump by the heart, and blood vessels are the tiny small tubes, we can say, the flexible tubes or wire like structure which carry the blood which pumped by the heart and provide to the all other organs of the body. That is all about the circulatory system. Now there are three types of blood vessels as well. We have discussed arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries, veins and capillaries, these are the three types of blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels are having three types of arteries, then veins, and then capillaries. Blood vessels are also having three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Okay, what these types of blood vessels are? Arteries are the blood vessels used to carry the blood from heart and to provide other organs of the body. Arteries are the blood vessels which used to carry the blood from heart and to provide different organs of the body. Veins perform exactly opposite of the arteries. Veins carry blood from the different organs of the body and provide to the heart, right? It transport or blood from different organs and to provide blood from different parts to the heart. Blood from heart, arteries perform the role which carry blood from heart to different organs, veins from different organs to heart. And third one, capillaries are very small, we can say, small blood vessels, okay, and they used to exchange the gases. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels among all and they used to exchange the gases. This is the circulatory system. Summarize. I have just summarized the circulatory system. Blood, heart and blood vessels. Heart used to pump blood. Blood is a red color fluid used to circulate into the entire body. Blood vessels are the thin tiny tubes which carry blood from heart to different parts of the body. Blood vessels are having three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries from heart to different parts. They carry blood from heart to different parts. Veins from different parts to heart. And capillaries are the smallest blood vessels used to exchange the gases and the nutrients. Okay, let us see what the excretory system is. Already we have saw, we are doing revision, right? We'll see the excretory system. First of all, while teaching the concept also I told you the same thing. Excretory means excretion. Excretion means waste material has to remove from the body. Okay, we all know we are drinking water, we are eating food. Whatever water we are drinking is not becoming a nutrients in the body which is useful for the body. Some content of water needs to be waste or it needs to thrown out of the body. Whatever things, whatever waste material is thrown out of the body, the excretory system helps in this. Okay, excretory system's function is to remove the unwanted waste from the body. That's it. Okay, the organ of the excretory systems are pair of kidneys, pair of uterus, urinary bladder, and urethra. These are the main organs of the excretory system. Kidneys, uterus, urinary bladder and urethra. Let us see what is the function of all these things. We all know kidneys, pair of kidneys act as a filter. Okay, whatever water is passing through the kidneys, it filter it out and useful material kidneys need to store, and whatever waste material is there, whatever waste liquid form is there, it is filtered by the kidneys. And then uterus is a pair of tube needs to carry the waste from kidneys to urinary bladder. Okay, uterus pair of tubes carry this waste from kidneys to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder needs to store the urine until and unless it is not thrown out of the body. Urinary bladder store that urine, store the waste until and unless it not needs to thrown out of the body. Then urethra is a tube-like structure. Urethra is a tube-like structure which lets out the urine from out of the body. Urinary bladder needs to store urine, and urethra is a tube-like structure which needs to throw the waste material out of the body. This is the main function of these all organs performed in the excretory system. I hope you all are clear with both the systems. You watched the videos. Till this revision video you need to watch again and get summarize yourself and learn both the systems very well. Okay, next week there will be the examination. Kindly prepare yourself for the examination, and I hope you all are already prepared well. Okay, hope you all will solve the paper very nicely. Only one video is there on this week, and next will be examination. We'll meet now after the examination. Okay, with a new spirit, with a new energy. Okay, thank you and have a lovely day ahead.